Assalamualaikum. Today we will be presenting our group project for the subject Strategic Business Process. Our project focuses on business process analysis for the permanent import application of AP tourism vehicles, new CBU, which is managed by the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. This topic was selected because the current process has several issues such as long approval times, redundant paperwork, and multiple validation layers, which impact efficiency. Our goal is to identify these weaknesses in the current process and propose a new improved process that is more digital efficient and user-friendly. Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. First, we have Nur Afifah binti Muhammad Zubir, Nur Batrisha binti Hasroni Sham, Nur Fazana binti Mat Dia, Nur Nadilah binti Mat Zaid, and myself, Nurul Anis Batrisha binti Mahdi. Together, we collaborated on researching, analyzing, and designing solutions for this project. I will be presenting for the introduction, a project focused on improving the process of permanent import applications for AP tourism vehicles, which is currently managed by the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry, or Miti. At present, the process faces several issues including long approval times, redundant paperwork, and the involvement of multiple disconnected parties such as JKAP, Dagangnet, and Customs. To address these challenges, our project aims to assess the current as-is process and propose a more efficient to-be model using digital technologies. The solution we are introducing is called the Smart AP system. It is designed to streamline the overall application process by enhancing document traceability, reducing manual tasks, and integrating systems such as SSM for centralized validation. Through this project, we want to demonstrate how digital transformation can improve public sector services, boost efficiency, and create a better experience for businesses involved in vehicle importation.
Next, I will briefly explain the current or as-is process of applying for an approved permit AP to import CBU tourism vehicle through Miti. This process is a mix of manual and digital steps which make it slow and prone to errors. It starts with the HS code verification at the custom department, which is done manually and often causes delay. Next, the applicant submit the AP application manually to Miti, including documents like invoice and vehicle spec. After that, the application is reviewed by the GKAP committee, which can take at least 2 weeks and is a major bottleneck. If approved, the applicant moves to the Dagangnet e-permit system. Existing users can proceed directly, but new companies must register under L1, which take additionally 3 to 5 working days. Unfortunately, many applicants are rejected, about 30 to 40% due to incomplete or incorrect documents. Besides that, there's no real-time tracking and coordination between agencies like Miti, Custom, and JPJ is poor because they use separate systems. Overall, the process takes around 12 to 15 working days or more and causes delay, confusion, and dissatisfaction.
Now, I will talk about the inefficiencies identified in the current as-is process for permanent import approval of new CBU tourism vehicles under Miti. First, GKAP approval is still done manually. This process creates a bottleneck and can take up to 10 working days, especially when applications are incomplete or have formatting issues. Second, there's document duplication. Applicants must submit both hard copies and digital versions via Dagangnet, which wastes time and leads to errors. Third, the system used by Miti, Dagangnet, JPJ, and Customs are not integrated, causing delays and repeated data entry. Fourth, manual processing of documents by Miti staff results in overuse of human resources for routine tasks like verification and answering status inquiries. Fifth, there's no real-time application tracking. Applicants often have to call Miti just to know the status of their applications. Sixth, we found a 30 to 40% rejection rate, mostly due to incomplete documents or inconsistencies between physical and digital submissions, causing rework and delays. Lastly, new company registration on Dagangnet takes about 3 to 5 working days, which stalls the AP application process and frustrates applicants. In summary, these inefficiencies highlight the need for a centralized, automated, and integrated system to speed up approvals and reduce repetitive manual tasks.
Now, I will talk about our group recommendation for improving the permanent import approval process for used tourism vehicle. To enhance the overall efficiency and transparency of this process, we propose a comprehensive digital transformation of the entire system. Firstly, we recommend that every stage of the process be fully digitalized. This means implementing an integrated online workflow that replaces the traditional manual process, which is often slow, error-prone, and inconvenient for users. Secondly, we suggest using the Smart AP application, a centralized digital platform that simplifies the application process for importing tourist vehicle. This platform improves user experience, offers clearer navigation, and significantly reduces process time. Moreover, both existing and new companies can now be automatically connected with Dagangnet. This makes the registration process more seamless. At the same time, business registration details from SSM and AP application data are shared and verified in real time, improving accuracy and speeding up approval. In addition, all required supporting documents such as the Miti approval letter, travel agency license, bill of lading, and invoice. This can be uploaded directly through the Smart AP form. This reduces the redundancy of work, prevents errors, and eliminates the need for manual document handling. We also recommend that all payments can be made online, eliminating the need for face-to-face transaction. This not only enhances user convenience but also reduces physical interaction and shorten the overall approval time. Finally, the process of vehicle registration with JPJ has now been digitalized through integration with the MyJPJ application. This means the entire process from application to final registration can be done in a seamless end-to-end online environment. In conclusion, our proposed improvement align with Malaysian national digitalization goal. This will result in faster processing, higher approval rates, overall better experience for users and government agencies alike.
Our analysis shows that the current permanent important approval process for new CPU tourism vehicles through Miti has major inefficiencies. These include manual steps, disconnect system between agencies, duplicate documents, and long approval stage like the JKAP reviewer. As a result, processing is slow, prone to error, and frustrating for applicants. To solve this, we propose the Smart AP system, a fully digital centralized platform connecting Miti, Dagangnet, Customs, and JPJ. The new process allows online applications, automatic document checks, real-time feedback, and digital payments. The JKAP process is also improved, allowing faster resubmissions. Overall, this system will reduce delays, improve accuracy, and support Malaysia's move toward a more efficient digital government.